Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk. Today I am with the Euphoria. So the already launched Eureka a few days ago. It was in December. Now they are with their new smartphone. So what comes with the smartphone? The smartphone comes with the 1.2 gigahertz Qualcomm Snapdragon 410, and other than this, it comes with the 16 GB of internal storage, 8 megapixel at the back, 5 megapixel in the front, and it has a 20 to 30 milliampere battery, so it is having a good battery. As you can see that this is a metallic finish at the side edges. So this is the champagne gold color with white, and the other color is the black one. Let me go through inside the box. It has a 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal memory. As far as the concern of the screen, it has a 5-inch screen. In the box we are getting, these are the screen guard. This is for the special features. I actually don't know what are the special features. And other than this, inside the box we are getting the charger. This is the micro USB charging slot, and this is the earphone plug-in, and this is the battery which comes inside. So as you can see that it is 20 to 30 milliampere battery. Let me take off the back panel and try to put the battery inside the device. It is a dual SIM smartphone. It supports 4G LTE, and it will go on sale only on Amazon. So look it on Amazon. So the battery is very thin. As you can see that it is not too much thick. Now I will put the battery. It comes with the expandable storage. Here are the speakers at the rear panel. This is the LED flash. As you can see that this is the whole bumped up camera, as you can see. And now the body is fitted, so we are good to go. Other than this, let's go through the design. This is the power button, this is the volume rocker key. In the top we are getting a 3.5 mm jack. In the bottom we are getting a micro USB charging slot, and on the other side I guess there is nothing, because the charging and for the SIM and every port is inside. And it is with the 64-bit architecture. So let me just peel off this one to check the device how it looks. It comes with the Gorilla Glass display. U branding is at the top. This is the 5 megapixel camera. The phone looks pretty good. Let me use it for few days. It is running on Cyanogen mod, and it is running on currently Lollipop. So don't worry, you will get the Lollipop update and ahead. Then in this smartphone you can definitely root this smartphone. This smartphone is coming for 7,999 only on Amazon. So stay tuned for the review. This is at the rate I old monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel.